It is 6:15 in the morning on a Friday, and today I'm going to take you through the day in the life of a Texas high school band director. I'm Caleb, and you're watching The Future Millionaire Teacher. Every day starts off with walking puppy, then we'll get ready, make breakfast, carpool into work, and start a long day of teaching band. Good morning, brother.
Good morning, brother. How are you this AM?
Good.
The days of the New Yorks.
In the US, according to the DEA.
That was really quick.
Hey, welcome in. Thank you so much.
I don't say this often, but I've got the best boss in the whole wide world. He bought me a little Friday morning coffee because he knows I'm on a budget. Thanks, buddy.
Cheers.
Thanks, brother.
Brother.
It's hot. Let's see, every morning, some group of some fashion has a rehearsal. So this morning, our concert Winds is rehearsing, so we're gonna go check that out. Word. Then we got a full day of classes. And then after school, our indoor drumline is having a preview show at 7. So it's gonna be a long day. Super long day. Get that hug in, Tyler. Doing a day in the life vlog.
We're gonna try it this time and see if it actually works.
How long till you
Get
blow
pissed
up?
off.
Time to take our daily walk to the office to refill our Nalgene.
Good morning, Sydney.
Nalge gang.
Powerpuff Girls?
Where's your Nalge?
Off now. Just to the brim.
It is 10:50. Just finished band class. Band went well, and now it's like a homeroom. They call it flex time. So a whole bunch of kids will just come in here and practice and do homework, and it's kind of a hectic time. Already had a parent meeting since class has been over, so it's a busy day. Now we're trying to regroup, get ready for the next band class, and then try to get to lunch. Thankfully, our band mom, who works at Starbucks, brought me coffee. So this is coffee number 2 for the day. Thanks, Megan.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I just want to hear that crunch so much. So if you all 3 instrument groups.
I like this one better than this one.
Thank you.
Yes, the results are in. That sounded like it worked. On Fridays, we get to go out to lunch. We always pick a different place. Roscoe's is the place today. And we got some special guests. Katie, our horn teacher's coming with us. Megan, one of our booster officers, aka Meg Haninen.
I did say that. Good dog. Thanks, dog. Welcome, dog.
I got that. For the first time all day, the band hall is completely quiet. Fifth period is conference period. Mr. Day is at the middle school teaching French horns. Mr. Carter's at the middle school teaching percussion. Mr. Girton usually goes over to the middle school, but he's staying here preparing for the indoor contest that we're hosting tomorrow. And fifth period, since it's my conference, I get to check up on emails and do any other housekeeping things that need to be done. This is the only quiet time in the band hall. Nothing. So after 10 minutes of working in silence, there's now a student in the band hall practicing. We had the quiet band hall for exactly 10 minutes. And there will probably not be another quiet minute until the end of the day. But hey, I guess it could be worse. Kids could not be practicing at all.
Gotta look at those positives always.
Negative, no quiet. Positive,
Kids are practicing.
it's all how you look at it.
3, 1, 2, 3.
All right, it is seventh period. It is percussion class. Normally there's a lot of loud percussion noises going on, so Mr. Day and I will sneak off to go do admin work. Some days, we just need a little downtime. So we're gonna go ball out. We're gonna go shoot some hoops.
Shooting some hoops.
We're gonna go put the ball in the bucket, as it were. Nah, it doesn't really matter who wins or loses. We just play and have a good time. We have fun.
The person who loses always says that, but it's fine.
I mean, I grew. I learned sportsmanship. I learned competitive. I learned sportsmanship. I learned to be competitive. My jump shot got a little better. I actually made some baskets. So, you know.
What was the score?
I don't remember actually.
It was 16-8.
Huh, that's weird. I don't even remember keeping score, so.
You told me every time.
Eighth period, we are expecting some middle school people to come over. We're having, on top of our drumline contest tomorrow, we're also hosting pre-UIL for the middle schools. So we gotta get going on setting that up, so on to the next thing. Hey Nathan.
Hey.
The band hall's really quiet when the percussionists aren't in here during percussion period.
Next.
Appalachian Morning. APPALACHIAN. Sheldon.
No.
Morning.
MOR.
Fraley. F-R-A-L-E-Y.
F-A-F.
F-R-A-L-E-Y.
My bit. It's making you mad.
I work with
On the
idiots.
First try.
You got it?
Yeah.
Locked it?
Yeah.
Promise?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
That's rude.
Yeah. Like a GM, probably.
Yeah. So, is it the locker room down there?
Have to lock it up.
You have to.
Sounds great.
All right.
Both like the bathroom and the doors, or just the dressing room?
Both, please.
Okay, cool.
Obviously, it's 5:30 on a Friday, so our saxophone players are playing the marching music from 4 months ago. End of the day, which means it's time for another Nalge run.
Or Columbia run.
What's on the agenda after this?
We have to go set up the auditorium for the pre-UIL for middle school.
Yep. All right, we're hosting pre-UIL for the middle school tomorrow. So while the drumline contest is getting ready, the pre-UIL for middle school is also getting ready. So we are now up in our attic trying to find all of the equipment, for the pre-UIL contest tomorrow while all the percussion people are getting ready. There's chairs being set up, there's directors all over the place. It's just another day in paradise. Yes, you find what we need, Mr. Day?
Yes, sir.
Sweet.
Yes.
6 p.m. time for dinner.
We're gonna grub time.
Go to a little local establishment called Mojo's. What are you gonna get?
I'm gonna get a brisket bowl with some sour cream and pico de gallo.
Definitely, I'm gonna get a little burrito bowl with some pico de gallo. We've got our middle school feeder directors joining us. Oh, he doesn't want any cameras. Oh, you driving? Sweet. Cool. All right. Cool.
I was in the back seat.
All right. I'll sit in the back also.
Okay.
Oh, I got it. I'm in.
Let me just move my.
Don't worry. It's okay. This is gonna make the video.
Oh my.
All right. Cool.
God.
We'll see you at Mojo's. Can I get some pico de gallo? And whichever salsa is hotter. Guacamole, please. And some lettuce. Would you give me a fork, please? Thanks, Mom. All right, after a long day, time is approximately 6:40 or so. We're heading on. You doing bits? You doing bits? We're heading on down to the much anticipated indoor preview show where we see the color guard and the drum line. The whole crew is here. We are rolling deep, including a special cameo for Mr. Seipert, our awesome AP, who takes care of all of our fine arts needs, former band director. And now we're rolling. The time is 8:20.
8:20.
In the evening. Indoor show done. Band hall prepared for pre-UIL. Stage prepared for one. Everything is prepared for pre-UIL. Big indoor contest tomorrow. Go home.
Don't forget
Work
our
out.
solo and ensemble contest.
Oh, we have solo and ensemble contest tomorrow too. Big time in the world of bands. So,
Not my problem.
I don't know. I don't teach drums. What's up, babe? The best part of every day is that I get to come home to my puppy and my wonderful boyfriend who has made what? What's on the menu tonight?
It's Korean bibimbap.
Korean bibimbap. Korean bibimbap. Always delicious, whatever he makes me. And then, you know, Netflix until you pass out. At 10:30, every day finishes like every day starts. Walking the puppy. If you're a band director, you know that there's no such thing as a normal day. No 2 days teaching high school band, or any band for that matter, are the same. I'm super fortunate to work with my best friends. I have some great kids that I teach every day. And above all, I just really love teaching high school band. If you like the video, please give it a like, subscribe if you're interested, and as always, thanks for watching.